Okay, welcome back. So this video is going to be a little different than the past ones. The past ones have been seeing the pixel in action and installing it, and how to use the different event codes to identify different actions taken on your website or wherever you're tracking activity. Okay. Now this video is going to be how to use that information that the pixel is gathering. Because up until now, all we've talked about is installing and getting it in place so that it does its thing. But what do you do with it once it's doing its thing? So let me show you where you go now so that you can understand the benefit and start doing the really cool stuff. So you're going to from your let's start right from the basic Facebook page here, okay? So up in the upper right corner, I'm going to go to the little blue drop down and I'm going to go to Manage Ads. And up in the left, where it says Facebook Ads with the three little lines, I'm going to click there. And I'm going to go to All Tools and Audiences under the fourth column, first position here. All right. And once I'm here, if you have, if you've made audiences in the past, like saved audiences for advertising purposes, this is where all of those will populate. And you can see all these are different saved audiences right here that I've done. They're a specific type. Now this isn't the type that we're going to use to work with the retargeting and the pixel stuff. We're using a different type of audience altogether. So I'm going to go to Create Audience here, and rather than going to Saved Audience like I typically would, I'm going to go to Custom Audience. And under the Custom Audience menu, I have a few different options. Now, specifically, the one I'm going to show you first is the website traffic one. Because what I'm looking to do here is target people who have gone to a specific website of mine for creating a retargeting audience, okay? So I'm going to look here, and I'm going to. So this is the audience creation menu here for the website traffic, and I'm going to click all website visitors and people who have visited specific pages. Okay. Now this, you're going to have to do this in conjunction with your pixel menu. So I would open another browser, and at the same time, we're going to go and open up our pixel menu too. Actually, we can do it this way. Here, let's do this. We'll cancel this, and I'm going to open up my pixels in a different tab. Okay. Does this look familiar? Hopefully this looks familiar here. This is your pixel main screen. So I'm going to go to the pixel, and I'm just going to pick a website here. All right. So I'm going to scroll down, and here's all my event codes. I'm going to switch the events to URLs. And we'll pick a URL here to retarget. Now, if you're using a specific landing page or squeeze page or something like that, your URLs will get populated in here, and they will get split up based on each individual URL. All right, so like here, this one's homewarriors.org. This one is Sell Your House Fast. So those are my investor carrot examples. This one right here is a ClickFunnels one. So this was a ClickFunnels one too. All right. So if I wanted to target the thank you page, like gee, this one here is a thank you page of a specific funnel, I can highlight this URL and I can head back over to my custom audience creation, and I would paste that URL right in there. Okay. And you need to have at least 20 people who is an audience to make one of these custom audiences. You're going to name it too. Don't forget to name it. And you will create the audience just like you would any other audience. Okay. You can also do this based on actions. So if I do website traffic, and remember those event codes we were talking about? Well, here's where you can target specific event codes. Complete registration. So if you have complete registration on every one of your thank you pages, you can now target every single person who has seen that under one event code to make your life super simple. All right, since they've all done it, and this is the same piece of little, remember how we added it to the bottom of the main code? So this is how you split up those actions. Okay. Now this is for website traffic specifically. Now, having the pixel also gives you the benefit within Facebook to track stuff. So if you go back to your custom audience menu, you have all different kinds of things here that you can track. Customer file, which I'll show you in, I'll just show you right now. Why not? No, actually, because this is going to be a little more involved. But you can add a customer file of email addresses. Oops. Let me go back to where I was there. So you can add a customer file of email addresses. You can add, or you can target engagement. So this one's really cool here. If you go to engagement here, people who have watched videos, engaged with lead forms, people who have interacted with a page, these are all retargeting, okay? People who have engaged with a page or interacted with a page, you can retarget. Here, let me go to this one. So here, this is page, for example. Everyone who engaged with your page, anyone who visited your page, anyone who engaged with a specific post or ad, or with any post or ad, people who clicked any call to action button, people who have sent a message, or people who have saved any post. All right. So these are all just page alone. Video. You can choose a video and then retarget people who have watched 3 seconds or 10 seconds or any percentage of it as well. And this will be in another video too, in one of the next videos here, about why that's so important. But these are all retargeting capabilities of the pixel. The pixel tracks people who watch videos, your videos, and lets you retarget them. They track people who go to your lead forms if you're using lead forms, so you can retarget them. Okay, and you can create audiences off of this. So, like for example, I'm living in Monroe County, which is my business page. I can select a lead form. All right, and most of these are expired here, but this one will be fine. All right, and now anyone who has opened this form, anyone who has opened but didn't submit, or people who opened and submitted, I can target independently. So somebody who opened and didn't submit, I can create an audience, send them an ad that says, hey, thanks for checking out my form. I see you didn't complete it. Don't forget to put in your information so we can give you some value. All right, so that is how you would split this up using the custom audience menu. All right, and think of a custom audience just the same as you would a saved audience, where you put in your detailed targeting and all that kind of stuff, okay? Because it functions just the same. You'll select that audience to advertise to it just the same as you would a saved audience, except this one will be custom tailored to people who have already taken an action. All right, so so check these out. Play around just kind of in the menu and see. And in the next videos, I'll show you the email list and also the other super secret thing that I wanted to show you. So I will see you guys in the next video.